Google search, DuckDuckGo, YouTube search and many more features at one place with this fantastic free app which will help you to reduce friction and boost your productivity with the help of Vocie launcher. I have been using it since last 6 to 8 months and trust me, now I can't use my PC without it and hope you will like it too. So first download it, link in the description box below. Download that .exe file only. I'll provide a direct link also. Click and download directly. After download, click on open and install it. Then come into Vocie app from desktop or taskbar icon. Come into the setting to make it more fast and productive. Now in setting, come to plugin. Now first we will use it to search on Google. By default, if you press Alt plus space and type Google then space then your search term, it will start to search on Google. But if you don't want to type Google every time, you can replace it with any word. Here I am replacing it with G. Just go to the Google link shown here and replace action keyword Google with G. You can select any icon also from here. Then press confirm. Press OK. You can do this same for other links like DuckDuckGo, YouTube and other link provided here. Check them out. Now when I type D space then search term, it will search on DuckDuckGo. If you want to search Google images directly, you can do it from here. Here I replaced accent word with I. So now when I press Alt plus space and type I then space then search term, it will directly search on Google images. If you directly want to search on YouTube, you can do it from this app. Make sure you enabled search suggestion from here. If this option is not turned on, you will not get search suggestion from Google or any other site. By default, it will search on Google Chrome. If you want to change the default browser for this application, you can do it from here. Like I am using Edge browser. I will provide this address into the description box and you can change it. Now let me show you some other benefit of this free software like system command. Now every time you don't need to go to start menu option to shut down, restart, lock or sleep your PC. Just type S for sleep, restart for restart, shut for the shutdown, L for lock. Now come to the theme section. Here you can change the look of your Vocie launcher. Hotkey. We use Alt plus space to launch this search bar. In this section, you can use another key to launch this search bar. Click on add and use any key you want. I use page down key. Now I'm going to show you the feature I love the most. Just type any file name you have in your PC and it will search in seconds all the files. If it is asking you to download everything extension, install it. You can also type direct link here like www.google.com or any other link. Want to calculate something? Now don't need to open the calculator, only type the problem and get an answer. Want to launch a program? Just type the name of the program and it will launch for you. Hope it will help you to boost your productivity. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.